Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we have something special to show you that will elevate the decor of your home or office. Introducing the Rose 4 Packs Fake Plants Mini Artificial Greenery Potted Plants. This package contains 4 kinds of faux plants made of friendly plastic, perfect for indoor use. The fake houseplants are 7 tall and 2.5 wide, and the pot is 2.5 tall and 2.9 wide, making them just a right size for any room decor. What's great about these fake potted plants is their long lifespan. Designed with unique craftsmanship, they look like the real deal and require no special care. You can enjoy their fresh appearance year-round and seamlessly blend them into your home. These small plants can be used in any scene, whether it's on your windowsill, office, kitchen, desk, bathroom, or any other place that needs a touch of greenery. And here's a warm tip. The leaves of these fake green plants can be adjusted freely, so you can style them to your liking. So, if you're looking to add a natural and refreshing touch to your space without the hassle of maintenance, these Rose fake plants are the perfect choice. Check out the link in the description to get your hands on these beautiful artificial potted plants. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more home decor ideas.